Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to gather business requirements for NetSuite. Gathering business requirements for a NetSuite implementation or customization is a critical step to ensure the system is tailored to meet the organization's operational needs. Here's a structured approach. First, define the objective. Start by identifying why you're gathering requirements. Is it for a new NetSuite implementation, enhancing or customizing an existing setup, a new module rollout, example, WMS, Suite Commerce, etc.? Second, identify the stakeholders. Who are the involved key users from different departments like finance, accounting, sales and marketing, operations, procurement, HR, IT admin. Questions like who uses NetSuite daily and who relies on reports or outputs from it. Third, conduct discovery sessions. You can schedule workshops or interviews with each team to understand their processes. Ask questions like, what are your current pain points? What manual processes do you want to automate? What reports or dashboards do you need? What fields, records, or workflows do you currently use or wish existed? You can use flowcharts or process maps to document how tasks are currently done. Fourth, document current and the desired state, how things are working now in NetSuite or other systems, versus what users want to achieve. Fifth, prioritize requirements. A common approach is to categorize the requirements using a hierarchy, such as must-have. These are critical features or functions without which the system would not be viable. Should have. These are important but not vital. They may be implemented after the core needs are met. Nice to have. These are enhancements or extras that can improve the experience but are not essential. Sixth, validate with stakeholders. Before finalizing, review the documented requirements with stakeholders to confirm accuracy and alignment. Seventh, prepare for configuration or handoff. Use the gathered requirements to build or configure NetSuite fields, records, workflows. Create saved searches and reports. Work with developers for SuiteScript or integrations. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found it helpful.